Hi and welcome. Today I'm gonna open 2 gift packs. Let's see what are in them. It's supposed to be a booster inside them and everything. Yeah. Let's see if that's true. That's probably true if they say it continues that. So. It's the first. Inside, it's a nice little tin. That goes to my collection. I put it there. Then I get these stickers, holographic. Kinda cool with the old words and that kind of stuff, and this big sticker here. And then you get a Torchic holographic promo card. And then you get these 2 packs. So, let's open them and see if they contain something awesome. Or if they contain nothing. And this is just the first tin, so there are one more actually, so. Clamper, Phoebus, Zubat, Baltoy, Shuppet, Nuzleaf, Igglybuff, Gulp in reverse, and a Huntail. Onto the Leaf Green, Fire Red, or vice versa. Jigglypuff, Diglett, Paras, Venonat, Magnemite, Energy Removal 4, Energy Removal 2, Onyx, Tenular Reverse, and an Arcanine. So that's the first. And now on to the second. Let's see. Oh. It's an Armaldo. And you get Fire Red Leaf Green and 1 Hidden Legends. And then you get Wishmer holographic promo. And you get these stickers. Yeah, so let's get to the packs. Cyndaquil, Plusle, Meditite, Oddish, Chop, Stormy, Castform, Dodrio, and the Tropicus. Oh, the Dodrio is the reverse. I thought that was weird. The reverse cards from the Hidden Legends is very hard to see if you doesn't look right into it. On to the last pack. Let's see if we can get at least one holographic or something. Potion, Magnemite, Switch, Paras, Caterpie, Haunter, Parasect, Weeping Bell Reverse, and an Arcanine again. So, yeah, the only 2 cards that I really got that was worth anything in my eyes was these 2 promo cards here. The Torchic and the Wishmer. Well, hope to see you next time. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.